Hello, everyone. This is Roy. I'm the founder of Olivon Investments Incorporated. You can visit us at olivon.com. It's AALAVON.com. For those of you on YouTube, I'll leave a link in the description below. Today, I just wanted to make a quick video talking about Level 2. A lot of you might not be too familiar with this. If you're just swing traders, you've never been into day trading before. Normally, when you log into your broker and you pull up a stock quote, you're normally looking at what would be called level 1 quotes. Normally you'll see, like right here, this is like the bid, and this is the ask price, 1870, and you'll probably see how many shares or the person is trying to buy and how many shares that they're trying to sell, and you probably see the price that it just sold for, or also that's level 1. Level 2 really breaks it down. You can see like here in the yellow, this is sort of like just the level 1 broken down. You can see right here there's 400 shares that someone's trying to buy at $180.65 here, and you can see these are all different market makers all through here. So you can see at that price at $180.65, we actually have 3 different market makers. So these are 3 different orders. One for 200, one for 100, and another one for 100. You can add 2 zeros to the end of any of these. So this is actually if someone's trying to buy 10,000 shares, 10,000 shares, and then I might not be right because there's a whole lot of hundreds here, but normally that's what it is. Normally they're normally sold in blocks of 100. So I guess you kind of this might be right here. I'd have to check and see what broker put this out, but that's how that is. Like I said, all of these are all market makers right here. They go through what's called the Electronic Communications Network, and okay, here's this here. You want to pause the video and read this. This sort of explains what a market maker is, how they make money. They use the Electronic Communications Network, and they're constantly trying to put orders together. Because when you put your order in, you might put in for odd amount. You might put in an order for like 500 shares, and they might not all be available from the same person. They have to match it up, and they make money off of that. And you can read through here, get a gist of that. And like I said, they use the Electronic Communications Network. You can pause the video and read this if you want to look up some more information online. Let's see, through Google or whatnot. And let's see, and that's pretty much what this is. Normally, most brokers, unless you pay extra for it, especially most free brokers, they use what's called smart routing. So you'll put your order in, and you'll go into the order entry, place your order, and normally like a few seconds later, you might see a little message come up. It says your order executed, and it'll say the price you bought your shares, and you'll see your shares. Well, a lot can happen in a few seconds with day trading. If you're going to be taking day trading seriously, you really need to find a broker that offers direct access routing. And I'll explain what that is, and I'll explain why. This is time and sales. A lot of people, even normal day traders, don't really realize this. You should be able to go into your broker. Not every broker has it. Some of them will have time and sales you can look up. This is a stock AMD, and you can see this is just like within a second. This just started recording down here at 11:18, and then there's probably more orders that went through at 11:18 in 10 seconds. But you can see just between 1 second here, there's a difference of more like about half a cent's difference, which that adds up. If you're day trading, And if you're sitting there, you place an order and it takes several seconds to go through, and that's like completely normal with smart routing, because what's happening is all the direct access people that are paying the extra fees, they're just getting matched up right away. And direct access routing, it's like I don't know if you guys have ever are into hunting, ever been to a shooting range before, but when you fire a gun at a target or whatnot. Normally, by the time you hear it, everything's already happened. It's just that quick. When you hit that button, it's like the orders. It's just like immediately, you get matched up with something, and the orders are you already own the shares before you even knew what happened. And sometimes it doesn't get you normally as good of a fill. You'll be buying on the bid or the ask instead of the bid, or vice versa. You might pay a little bit more, but it's simultaneously you get in there immediately. And so with direct access routing, you can choose your destination. Like, see here, it says execute destination. This broker offers it, and this person chose Arca. You can choose any of them. A lot of them will have their own that they said. Generally it is a little bit quicker, and I guess. I don't know, they can probably make a little bit of money on that. I thought that's the gist of how that works. And as far as, here's a couple of American brokers that offer direct routing. One is Lightspeed, and of course you have to have $25,000 to day trade with them. But this you can go to lightspeed.com/pricing/routing-fees and bring this up if you want to. But you can go through here and see different market makers and how much you're gonna end up paying for that. And welcome to pause the video or